Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In this video, I basically just want to introduce the idea of the turtle class. This is something brand new and we're in a brand new world. So basically the idea of turtle in Java is being able to draw something to the canvas. We are just basically using things that we've done before, such as methods, parameters, as well as perhaps loops, and we are putting it into unique application. Some instructors, I think, introduce the turtles at the very beginning of the course, while others just introduce it later on. I feel like it's better to introduce it now because now that you've seen everything, I'm able to iterate things such as, oh, here is this method takes in this, as well as the Java documentation and many more. So let me just go ahead and create a class. I'll call it public class, and I'll just say turtle intro. And so let me just make a method, public static void main string args, and then close it. And let me just go ahead and compile it. And let me just go ahead and run it. So now here's the nice thing. Let me just go ahead and go here. So what I have done is I have went here and introduced something known as a turtle class in Java. So the turtle class is basically a class that you are able to draw and work with turtles. And so what you will do is you'll basically just copy this whole class. Again, the link is in the description. Just visit the site right here. And then you will go ahead and paste it in your IDE or wherever you are programming in. Just make sure that it's in the same directory that your folder, wherever you're trying to use the class, is in. Turtle intro. Again, this is not built into Java. This is a class that somebody made that you're able to use. We'll definitely talk about classes later on and what they are. But for now, what you will do is you will just create a new class for this, and you will just title it Turtle.java, and you will go ahead. I'm not sure I did. I think I might have outcopied it, but that's just that. And what you will do is you'll compile the turtle class. And now what the turtle class is available for use. And so the idea of how you will be able to use the turtle class is you will come into your main method, or if you want to introduce methods, that's fine. And what you will do is you will go to the Java documentation. Again, all this link is in the description, and this is basically the Java API. And we can see that this says, okay, in order to create a turtle, you will have to call this method, or you could make the turtle start at a specified position. So basically, the idea is we are able to draw something on a canvas, such as a drawing, or we are able to draw graphs or anything. So this is how you'll be able to do it with a turtle. And this tells you, okay, in order to create a turtle, you'll have to call this constructor method. We haven't talked about constructors, but that's a video for a different day. But the idea is whenever you want to make a new object or a new instance of something, you will have to call one of these methods. See how this takes in a parameter. These takes in parameters. We talked about parameters. And it tells you, okay, makes a turtle out of specified position, makes a turtle at the center of the canvas, 0, 0. So let's just go ahead and do that. So let's just say turtle. You'll have to give it the type that you are using. In this case, we are working with turtle, and I'll call it T equals a new turtle. And basically what I did here is I basically created a turtle. Let me compile it and run it. And so now basically if I click run, I think it might take a while, or depending on what you are using, it's just going to pop up right away. But as you can see, I've opened up and created a new canvas. So that's just basically the idea of using the turtle class in Java. We'll definitely use it more, but in this video, I just wanted to introduce it and help you be able to download it. What you will do is you'll copy the file that I've linked in the description of this video, and copy and paste in the same directory. And what you will do is you will create it based on the Java API. That's how it tells you. I could go ahead and say, okay, I want you to be at 10:30. Again, if you guys remember, this is the origin from your X and Y. I guess that's where the origin is. Let's say I want to be at 10:30. Let's just run it. I could create it. I could say I want you to start at 10:30. So the X position is 10 and the Y position is 30. So right now it's at 10:30. So just moved. That's where it is. So that's just basically the idea of turtles in Java. We'll definitely work with this a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the future videos.